Hi, I'm Paulina, and I'm here with.
Greg Schwartz.
Okay, so tell me, Greg, what are you doing here? What is this?
Well, I teach. We're in LA, and I teach at Cal State Northridge, which is a university just north of here. And I came to advertise my book, talk about my book, 5 Ways to Save the Planet, in your spare time.
Okay, so what inspired this book? What got you going to this and get it started?
I traveled the world for about 15, 20 years, on and off. I went to 39 countries, and I was overwhelmed initially at how much suffering I saw on the planet, and I didn't expect that I would find that, And then as I traveled more, I was sort of seeing so much beauty and so just everything, and I thought, what is the cause of all of this? What is the cause of all of this suffering? And what hit me was the solutions to all of these problems that we have, disease, famine, global warming, they already exist. The technology exists. Most famines don't occur because there's a lack of food. It's the lack of will to distribute it, political problems. So I realized these solutions exist, and that really blew my mind. And I said, well, it must be a shift in beliefs that we need. We need to realize that, we need to shift from belief in competition to a belief in collaboration. We need to shift from a disposable lifestyle to a sustainable lifestyle. So believing that will work, And so when we do that, then we can implement the actual 5 ways to save the planet, which are the tangible solutions. So I see these inner solutions like beliefs that we need to enact, and then these tangible solutions, which are like go solar, eat organic, things like that.
So this book is the solution basically to the world's problem, and to say the least.
That's exactly right. What it is, and basically, I wrote it because I wanted my students to have something that they would actually read and finish. It's a super condensed version of, because they come to my class. I teach geography. They come to my class for one semester. It's the only geography class they'll ever have, probably. You study poli-sci, right? I heard you say.
Yes, I do.
And so, I think, well, okay, while I've got them, I'm just going to sum it all up. From all my travels, all my research in grad school, here's what is going on in the world. And what it does is it says, just like to any lay person just sitting at home, it says, here's 5 things that you can do. You don't have to lobby Congress. You don't have to travel the world. You don't have to go to school and figure this all out and study my specific subject. Here are 5 things. If you do these before you go to bed at night, this week or this month, you'll sleep well and know that you're playing a part in solving the world's problems. Most of us don't even know what's going on, let alone, when we hear about it, it just becomes overwhelming, and we go back to our latte, and we just want to make it a blockbuster night and not worry about those big things. And so I'm saying, hey, fine, make it a blockbuster night. Just do these 5 things and then forget about it. Let me worry about figuring this out. And here you go. It's like a short, condensed pamphlet.
And so what is this? Where are all these pictures?
This is just an example of, I put into action one of the 5 ways. It's taking my students to an organic farm, ways to save the planet, because it heals the soil and it heals our bodies. There's so many positive effects from going organic, and the kids love it.